On these steamy afternoons, sometimes the atmosphere just bubbles over and produces these strong and severe thunderstorms. We're dealing with a cluster of those strong storms across southeastern Kentucky, where still a section of that remains under a severe thunderstorm warning for the next few minutes. This is mostly for Knox County, also then spilling over into Bell, Whitley and Clay counties as we continue to see this slow moving severe thunderstorm drifting towards the southwest. It is capable of producing up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, along with 1.25 inch in diameter hail. Along with that, we're starting to see the lightning starting to come down a little bit, so indicating that thunderstorm is trying to weaken as again it slowly drifts towards the southwest. But also a good deal of heavy rain all along this line of storms that continues to run into Magoffin County with a good light show just the south of Jackson right now. Again, none of those storms are severe, but still on the strong side as they continue to drift through on this hot, hazy, humid Friday afternoon. Meanwhile, into around Richmond into Madison County, we are seeing another slow-moving thunderstorm just sitting and dumping a good deal of rain, even some small hail, a number of lightning strikes around Richmond. Continuing to the south, we're seeing a few more of those spotty downpours, even continuing on towards McKee in Jackson County. So you saw the look on the MaxTrack Live Doppler. Here's a view from our St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera on EKU's campus, where just a few moments ago the rain was coming down fairly heavily, so gradually starting to lighten up at least just a little bit on the campus of EKU, but still you can see that shake in the camera indicating some gustier winds that were being picked up. Again, also some reports of small hail within that core of thunderstorms that continues to sit over Richmond at this hour. Meanwhile, where it's not storming, it's very warm. Right now it's 91 degrees in Lexington, also in Frankfort, 90 for Mount Sterling and Moorhead, 88 in Danville, also in the upper 80s in London and Monticello at this point. But whenever you factor in the humidity, it's feeling more like the low to mid 90s across the board. And 91 so far is the hottest temperature here in 2019 for Lexington, making it the third day with high temperatures at or above 90 degrees. We picked up 2 of those just before Memorial Day, and it looks like we're going to be adding to that total as we continue throughout the course of the weekend and looking ahead to the early days of July, as high temperatures will continue to dance around the upper 80s to even near 90 degrees. It looks like we'll match that 91-degree high again on Monday, still adding to that total leading into the start of the holiday week. But along with all this heat and humidity, we're going to see a very stagnant pattern that all of the storm tracks are going to stay far to our north, but still, like we're seeing this afternoon, the atmosphere very easily can bubble over, producing these high, tall cumulus clouds that eventually will have to let some of that water go in the form of these pop-up thunderstorms into the afternoon. We'll see a repeat performance tomorrow. Similar story into Sunday as well. So again, both days this weekend are going to feature low end chances for showers and thunderstorms, but still, we can't rule them out completely. Meanwhile, looking ahead to the 4th of July itself, a slightly better chance for a few more showers and thunderstorms will be possible, but still Independence Day does not look to be a washout here across the Commonwealth. So this evening, we're still dealing with those stray thunder showers across the area. Then we go mostly clear and we stay warm and muggy with a low only right around 70. Then we're right back into the upper 80s, pushing 90 tomorrow afternoon. Skies mostly sunny with more of those pop-up thunderstorms. You can keep that forecast rolling Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Then again, isolated storm chances possible on Wednesday. Slightly better chance on the 4th of July itself. But still, both of those days, even leading into next weekend, it's going to be a good deal of dry time along the way, too. Kind of those storms will allow a little break in the heat and humidity temporarily.
It's when you run inside, take a little nap.
There you go.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll get the fireworks in.
Let's hope so.
Thank you, Jill.
Well, the